Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about board control for Manitowoc part hashtag 7,627,823. Board control for Manitowoc part hashtag 7,627,823 is a replacement part for Manitowoc ice machines. It is a printed circuit board that controls the operation of the ice machine. The board includes components such as relays, switches, and sensors that control the operation of the machine. It also includes an LCD display that shows operational information such as temperature and ice production. The board is designed to be easy to install and replace in order to keep your Manitowoc ice machine running smoothly. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a control board for a Manitowoc ice machine, so it would fix any issues related to the control board, such as the machine not turning on, not producing ice, or not responding to commands. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions that come with the board control for Manitowoc part hashtag 7,627,823. These instructions will provide detailed information on how to properly install the board. 2. Make sure you have all of the necessary tools and materials for installation. This may include a screwdriver, wire cutters, and other items depending on the specific model of board you are installing. 3. Turn off all power to the area where you will be installing the board before beginning work. This is important for safety reasons and to prevent any damage too. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.